Here's Juliet on September 21st, 2013. She's 15, almost 16 months old. Go show me your big jumps. Go. Go jump. Wow. Oh, did you say bye-bye? I wasn't done though. One more big jump. Go. Whoa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.